In our previous video, we have created a double-story building. Now we will start creating stair. We will draw stair here. Open Level 1 and then go to Architecture tab. Click on Stair. Now from Type Selection, we will select Cast in Place Monolithic Stair. We will build this stair from Level 1 to Level 2. Now we will insert the desired number of steps. We will count the number of steps. We need 22 steps. Now we will insert the width of first landing as 4 feet. Select this straight stair option. Now we will select the center line of this CAD link stair. Once selected, we will draw the first landing here. Now we will adjust the length of our second landing as 3.75 feet. Now draw the second landing. Now we will draw the third landing having width of 4 feet. Our stair is ready having 22 number of steps. Now we will finish this command. Here you can see stair is created. We can assign step numbers on the stair. Go to Annotate tab. Now click on Stair Tread Riser Number tag. Now click on the edge of first landing. Similarly on second and third landing. All the risers have been tagged. Now let's create stair plan and stair detailed section sheet. We will duplicate this Level 1. Right-click and duplicate with detailing. We will rename this plan. Name it Staircase 1. Now we will crop the view. This is Crop View option. Now click on Show Crop Region next to Crop View. We will drag this boundary around our staircase. Click on the small ball and drag it. Now click on Crop View. We can see all the extra detail are removed from the staircase plan. Now if we do not want to show crop boundary, we will click on Hide Crop Region. Our staircase plan is ready. Now let's do some detailing in this plan. Go to Annotate tab and assign dimension to grid lines. We can see double lines at the riser which shows nosing. We will select Staircase and click on Edit Type. Now click on Nosing and put 0 as nosing length. Now press OK. We can see double lines of riser have disappeared. Now we will assign few more dimension to our staircase plan. We will adjust the size of this detail. Now let's put staircase plan on the drawing sheet. We will create a new sheet. Now we will drag and drop our staircase plan here. We will change the scale of our plan to 1 by 4 inch is equal to 1 feet. We can see that size of grid bubble and size of text has automatically adjusted as per scale. Now let's drag and drop this plan on sheet. Now let's draw some sections of stair. We can activate plan on sheet by double-clicking on it, or right-click on it and click Activate View. Now we can work on this view. We will create a section of stair. Go to Annotate tab and click on Section button. Now draw a line at the first landing of stair. Now this is the depth of section view. We will adjust the depth. We can click on this small circle to show section head at this end as well. Now if we double-click on the tip of this section head, we will go to this section view. Now we will edit crop boundary to show only the stair. We will change the detail level to fine. Now we will change the scale of this detail. We will make it 1/2 inches equal to 1 feet. We can change the view to shaded. We will hide the crop region. Now we will open our drawing sheet. Drag and drop this section on the sheet. Similarly, we can create few more sections from our staircase plan. Here we have created 2 more sections, one from each landings. We can see that there is a slab on top of this landing. To see the problem, we will go to 3D view. Here in 3D view we have roof and we cannot see the staircase. We will use section box to see the stair in 3D. Go to Properties of 3D view and find section box and turn on the section box. We can see this cube around our building. We can adjust these controls to hide the roof. You can now see under the roof. Similarly, we can adjust the side view. Now here we can see the problem. This stair is coming up and there is a slab which is blocking the way. We will create an opening in the slab. We will use Shaft Opening tool. Go to Architecture tab and then click on Shaft in Opening section. Now we will create a rectangle at the staircase area. Now click on Finish to create shaft opening. Now shaft opening is created. To see the shaft opening, we will go to 3D view with section box. Here this blue cube is the boundary of shaft opening. This shaft opening is selectable. We can adjust the height of this shaft opening. In the drawing sheet, we can see that slab is removed from top of the stair landings. In the next video, we will apply details to our plans and details. Subscribe our channel to view more videos.